Hello and welcome back to Primal Living's YouTube channel. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys at home how to make your own homemade vegetable broth. Not only is this dish perfect for this time of year, but it's packed full of so many vitamins, minerals and nutrients, and to be honest, it's one of my favourite dishes to make. Although we all try our very best at home to squeeze in as many vegetables as we can into our diets, I totally understand how hard it can be. So this broth isn't just easy to do so, but it's really easy to make at home too. Some of you at home may be wondering how time consuming a recipe like this is, and to be honest, you can get it done in just 70 minutes. And yes, that includes prepping and cooking the broth itself. As always, if you love this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. But for now, let's go. Begin by oiling a pan and adding your onion, carrot, crushed garlic cloves and ginger. Give everything a good stir until golden brown. Add your red pepper, purple cabbage and curry powder. Again, give everything a good stir for a few minutes until your vegetables become soft. Add the mushrooms and then mix well with all the other ingredients. You'll then pour your ingredients from the pan into a casserole dish. Add the kale, pak choi, and then using your hands, mix everything together. Season as you please. I like to add a little bit of pepper and salt. Add 2.5 pints of filtered water and then add the lid to your casserole dish and pop in the oven to cook. Once done, leave to cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy!